How to find all comments you've made on TikTok. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to find all of your comments history on TikTok. Open up TikTok application. Just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, just head over to your profile section at the bottom right. But before that, let's just leave a few comments so that it's easier for us to see. I'm going to tap on the comment section and I'm going to leave a comment right here, just an emoji. Let's just scroll down, add another comment here, just another emoji. Let's just add another one. All right, so once you have added your comments, just head over to the profile icon at the bottom right. Then you're going to have to find the settings icon by tapping on the hamburger at the top right. From this pop-up, choose settings and privacy. Now you just have to find content and display. Right under there, you have your activity center. And inside your activity center, you have your watch history, comment history, search history, and all of the history for your account. Just head over to comment history and you'll find all of your comment history right here. Now, if you want to find the exact comment, just tap on the comment and it will find the video for you. Now, if you want to delete it, long press and hold on it, then tap on delete and you're good to go. Do the same thing, tap on the comment. If you want to delete it, just long press on it and then delete. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If it was helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.